Pittsburgh drafts innovation, selects Sanjeev Singh, founder of Near Earth Autonomy. Near Earth enables uncrewed aircraft to safely and efficiently take off, fly, and land with or without GPS.
There we go. Yeah, we've been ready for the big leagues for a while, and the key thing that happened was that we noticed that we had customers and we had great technology. What we needed to do was, as an autonomy company, grab a hold of the large opportunities by ourselves. What had been happening earlier than that was we were working with others, trying to make their aircraft autonomous, and great conversations, etc. The thing that we realized was we really understood the problem. At Near Earth, what we have is a very talented group of people that sit right next to each other. We have a great set of people who've spent their entire careers flying large aircraft, and we sit together and solve problems. The current strategy is to scale as fast as we can. And the idea here is to find real use cases. It's not about the technology anymore, okay? What it is about connecting that technology to real applications. And what we're doing right now is to connect the technology to the use cases by finding customers.